These are my fluted pumpkin seeds. I'm ready to start them. Today is January the 28th, 2025. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I think I have about 25 of them. So let's get planting. I have filled up these cells with potting soil mix. This is how the cell looks like. It's deep enough, I think. And the reason why I decided to use this instead of cups is to manage space better. So as you can see, I can fit many more seeds here on the tray, which sits on the heating mat. So once it sprouts, I will then carefully remove the sprouted ugu seed and then plant in a bigger container. I'm just using these for seed starting. Okay, let's get planting. So I filled it up just about halfway, and I'm gonna grab my seed just like so. And remember, there's a planting orientation. I tested the seeds already. They are all very good because when I press it, it's very firm. There's no give. So the orientation is to plant this pointy tip facing down, just like so. So I'm gonna put all of these in here and then cover it with soil. Okay, this is what I was able to get. So 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is what? 24. And then 2 extra ones, which I'm going to put back in this. Wait. Yeah, it was in the plastic wrap. I'm gonna see how long it can stay viable in this plastic wrap and in this paper. I'm gonna save this. Now it's time to cover up the seeds. We'll cover up the seeds with extra potting soil mix and then water next.